Yes, good morning, dear students. Welcome to online class. So, in the last class, we have to discuss about the what are the items are relating to the different accounts as per the American system. See, now we already understood what are the items of assets, what are the items related to the liabilities, capital, expenses or losses, and revenue and gain afterwards. Now, see, we will start the problems today. From today we will start the problems. It's very important. These kind of problems we call as journal entries. Pass the journal entries, write the journal entries. Journal entry problems ಅಂತ ಕರೀತೀವಿ. Journal entry ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ತಯಾರು ಮಾಡೋದು? How to form journal entries with the help of certain transaction. It is an important concept in SPU accountancy. 100 marks ಅನ್ನೋ ಒಂದು 100% ಈ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ಒಂದು ಇದ್ದೇ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. 12 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ಕೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. 12 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ಜರ್ನಲೈಸ್ ದ ಫಾಲೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸಾಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್. ಕೆಲವೊಂದು ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸಾಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ, 12 ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸಾಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಆ 12ಗೆ ನಾವು ಜರ್ನಲ್ ಎಂಟ್ರೀಸ್ನ ಬರೀಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸಿ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ವಿತ್ ದ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಆಫ್ ಯು transaction. We will start the first important problem. First problem. No, yeah. So this is very easy concept. See, journal entry. Journal entries. You got this kind of problems. But as journal entries. Journalize the following transactions. Journalize the following transaction. Question this is the journalize the following transaction. It is a question. Journalize. Write the journal entry. Journalize. Pass the journal entry. Write the records. Here, the transactions are given here. See, certain 6 transactions they gave here. 6. They are first one is on date wise given here. Date wise given here. The transactions are given the date wise. The date is very important. See, on 1st January 2019, business started with cash rupees 50,000. On January 1st 19, business started with cash. You start your business. Second one, 4 January 2019, purchase furniture rupees 20,000. Purchase furniture 20,000. Next, 12th date, purchase goods here rupees 10,000. Next, 20th, received from Raju 15,000. What? Cash. The amount received from Raju. Who received? Business. When business received the cash, it comes into the business. And then deposited to the bank. Deposited to bank. Who deposited? Business. Deposited to bank rupees 10,000. Paid rent rupees 50,000. Paid. Who paid? Business. Means from business cash is possible. Now, see, this is the journal entries. Transaction. Now we have to start journal entry. How to start journal entries? Material nಮಗೆ ಒಂದು ಫಾರ್ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ ಬರ್ಸ್ತೀನಿ. Journal format. No, draw that format first. Here, here. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ, ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಆಮೇಲೆ ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. Just here. Let's start. See, journal format ಈಗಾಗಲೇ ಬರ್ಸಿದ್ದೀರಲ್ವಾ, journal entries. Journal entries ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ journal ಅಂತ following transactions ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವು journal entries ಅಂತ ಬರೀತೀವಿ. Journal in the following transaction in the books of, so the name is given here. In the books of Raju, Rakesh, like that. Started with right here. Journal entries in the books of, what name is given? That name recorded. But don't name it given here. No, that will don't record that name. You can write only journal entries. A journal format. Date. This is the date column. Particulars. Left. Debit amount. Debit amount. This is credit. Credit amount. So this is this is the rupee symbol. Rupee symbol. This is Indian rupee symbol. That's why I can write here. Rupees. This is rupee symbol. See. Now we will start journal entries. At that time of forming a journal entries in your mind, you must have, there are 5 accounts are there now, which are that asset, liability, capital, revenues or gain, expenses or losses, and then that account rules kept in your mind. Remember that rules, that rules are very, very important at the time of forming a journal entries. See, first dated 1/1/2018. What the transaction is there? Business started with the cash rupees 50,000. About the business starting, already discussed. How it started business ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದೀವಲ್ವಾ, ಅದೇ ತರ ಸೇಮ್. ಈ ತರ ಒಂದು ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಕಂಪಲ್ಸರಿ ಇದ್ದೇ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. Must have this kind of transaction. Business started with cash 50,000. And then also you can start with something. Here only cash. Sometimes you start business with cash, with furniture, with machinery. When the business started with the cash rupees 50,000, before that don't have any amount in that business. At the time of when you are ready to start a business, that time the cash is comes into the business 50,000. Ready? Now business start ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದೀವಿ. Before that business start ಮಾಡೋಕೆ ಮುಂಚೆ ಏನಾದರೂ ಅಮೌಂಟ್ ಇತ್ತ business ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇರಲಿಲ್ಲ. Now we are ready to start the business with what? With cash. When we will ready to start the business with cash, the cash is comes into the business. Business to when cash is comes into the business cash is what happened? Increase. Very good. The business cash is increase. Cash ಮತ್ತೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು business started with cash ಇದೆಯಾ, business ಯಾವಾಗಲೇ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಅದು ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ and here cash account ಇದೆ. For example, business started with cash 50,000 is there. 2 accounts is there, cash account and capital account. For example, business started with cash 50,000, furniture rupees 20,000, goods rupees 20,000 ಆಗುತ್ತಿತ್ತು. ಆವಾಗ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ? With cash and furniture, right? Goods is nothing but stock, right? These are all the assets. The capital is capital. Now apply the formula. Just ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ. First to identify the accounts. Identify the accounts in the transaction. Next to mention related account. Mention related accounts. Related accounts. Third one, apply the rules. Apply the rules. And write the journal entry. Write. Pass the journal entry. These steps are followed at the time of forming a journal entry. These steps are followed. See, now this step are followed. First step is identify the accounts. Identify transactions. Now here, first transaction, business started with cash 50,000. Identify the accounts here. Now when business started with cash, 2 accounts is there. One is cash account. And one more is capital account. Business started only capital account. Because what capital means what? Capital is nothing but when initially start a business with sum of amount, that amount required as capital. Basic comes in accounting and capital ante ಏನಂದ್ರೆ ಬರ್ಸಿದ್ದು ನೋಡಿದ್ರಾ. So this is business started with cash account. That is amount required as capital account found that. For identify the account, first step is over. Second step, related, mention related accounts. These 2 accounts related to which account? There are 5 accounts in there. Asset, liability, capital, revenue, gain and expenses and losses. In that 5, asset cash account is which account? Capital is which account? Apply that. Cash account, asset account. Capital account, capital Next, see, apply the rule. Third step. Apply the rule. Third step. What is the step in the rule? Asset account rule is increasing debit. Increasing debit when cash is comes into the business. Increase or decrease the business cash. Increase debit is the debit. See, that the capital account part says, what is the rule of capital account? Increasing credit, decreasing debit. When cash is comes into the business, when that time of when the cash is comes into the business, the inflows of cash is increased. That time the capital is also increased. Capital is also increased. What is the rule of capital? Increasing credit, decreasing debit. These are increase the right here. Cash account debit ಮಾಡಿ capital account credit ಮಾಡಿ ಅವಾಗ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ business started with cash. With what to start business here? Cash. Right here, date right here. What is the date? 1/1/2019. Date right here. And then see particulars right journal entries. So here business started with cash. What cash is? Debit. Debit item right first. Cash account. Cash account. Cash account. Right here mentioned in that column. E line HR DR. Debtor and give a space sum right here 2. That is which is credit capital account. Capital account. 50,000. Now, next, write narration here. Narration of the narration will start with the word being. Being. Narration will start with the word of being. What is the right here? What is the transaction? Narration of what is narration? Narration is nothing but brief discrimination of the transaction. Brief explanation of the transaction. This transaction is business started with cash. Business started with cash. Next. Over. First channel you see. Over. Business started with cash. Yes. At the time of when started business, with what to start? With using what? Cash. That one is step. If with cash, also we have to use furniture account ಕೂಡ ಡೆಬಿಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಕ್ಯಾಶ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ ಡೇಟಾ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇಟ್ಟು ಬರಿಬಿಡಿ ಫರ್ನಿಚರ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ ಅಲ್ವಾ, ಅದು ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಅವಾಗ ನೋಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ನಂಬರ್. ಯು ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್? ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗಲ್ಲ? ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ಟರ್ವರ್ಡ್ಸ್ ಸಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಟೈಮ್ ಡ್ಯೂರೇಷನ್ ಬೇಕು, ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಬೇಕು, ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಫಾಸ್ಟಾಗಿ ಹೇಳಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಇದು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಅಲ್ವಾ, ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಸ್ಲೋಲಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೇನ್ ಹಿಯರ್. ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಒನ್ ಸಿ ಹಿಯರ್. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್ ಓವರ್. ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಒನ್ ಸಿ 4/1/19. 4/1/19. 4th January 2019. Purchase furniture. You know what? Purchase furniture. Purchase furniture. Who purchase? Business purchase. When business purchase furniture, what comes into the business? Very good. Furniture. No, furniture. Furniture comes into the business. And when business buy furniture, with what paid? Cash. Cash is also. ನಾನು ನಮ್ಮ ಮನೆಗೆ ಚೇರ್ ತಂದೆ, ಪುಕ್ಷಟೆ ಕೊಟ್ಟರೆ ಫ್ರೀಯಾಗಿ. ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಪೇ ದಟ್ ಅಮೌಂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಪ್ರೈಸ್ ಚೇರ್, ದಟ್ ಅಮೌಂಟ್ ದ ಕ್ಯಾಶ್. ಪರ್ಚೇಸ್ ಫರ್ನಿಚರ್ is 20,000. at the time of purchase related transactions ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಪರ್ಚೇಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾಗಲಿ ಸೇಲ್ ಆಗಲಿ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸಾಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾದರೂ ಐಟಮ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ರೆ ಆ ಐಟಮ್ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಬೇಕು. ಐಡೆಂಟಿಫೈ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಪರ್ಚೇಸ್ ವಿತ್ ವಾಟ್ ಪೇಡ್, ಇಟ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಕ್ಯಾಶ್ ಪೇಡ್ 20,000, ರೈಟ್? ಕ್ಯಾಶ್ now this is two accounts are for here. Purchase furniture is 20,000. Purchase what? Furniture item. What purchase? The item purchase. This furniture na furniture consider. It paid what can not given here cash can mention can understood. This is the cash. Cash. Na suppose purchase purchase goods for rupees 10,000 goods is that but it's not the name of the item but mention the goods. That time we don't consider the good. That time we can consider purchase. Purchase ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಸೇಲ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಐಟಮ್ ನೇಮ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ರೆ consider that item name. At the time of purchase and sales it doesn't give any name of the item. You don't consider that item name. You consider what their transaction is. Purchase consider. Sales consider. No, this is fourth consider. Furniture and cash. Furniture account have asset account. Cash account have when business was purchased by the business, the asset is increased. This is the when purchase furniture, the cash paid to the seller. The cash is goes from business. The cash is increased. Asset. Here right here furniture account. Furniture account data to cash account. Being furniture account data how much rupees? 20,000. 20,000. Right here. Being regular should be purchase furniture. That's it. Next date is what? 12th day. Here purchase goods. Purchase goods. The directory purchase goods doesn't give any name. That time can consider purchase account. And goods is that one. Name item purchase purchase with what paid cash paid. Here also consider cash. Purchase account tab related to purchase account tab related to purchase when purchase goods by the business with paying some of the amount paid when paid to business expenses are purchase expenses are losses have account related to expenses related to expenses and losses idella account related to what is the rule of expenses are related expenses and losses what is the rule increasing capital decreasing credit same as like that here ಇದು ಡೆಬಿಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಕ್ಯಾಶ್ ಪರ್ಚೇಸ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ಕೆ ಕ್ಯಾಶ್ ಹೋಗ್ತದ ಬಿಸಿನೆಸ್ ಇಂದ ಕ್ಯಾಶ್ ಇಸ್ ಡಿಕ್ರೀಸ್ ಕ್ರೆಡಿಟ್ what is the rule what is the account what is the related now here purchase account ಇದು ಈ ರೀತಿಯಾಗಿ ಗೊತ್ತು purchase account data to cash account right and being goods purchase goods amount rupees how much 10,000 yes 10,000 next another 20k na received from Raju alva idu adustine ನೀವು ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ ಅಲ್ವಾ yes see date is over now 20 received from Raju what cash what received cash received what received from Raju what received cash from whom Raju now here this is the condition of Raju account ಆಮೇಲೆ ಕ್ಯಾಶ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ ಐಡೆಂಟಿಫೈ ಆಗಿದೆ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಕ್ಯಾಶ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ ರಿಲೇಟೆಡ್ ಅಸೆಟ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ ಇದು ರಾಜು ಅಕೌಂಟ್ ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್ ನೇಮ್ಸ್ ಏನಾದರೂ ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ ಅಂತ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೇಮ್ಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಅರೈಸ್ ಇದು is considered as capital account. Next, apply the rule. Cash received from Raju to business. When received cash from someone, the business cash is increasing, asset is increasing, get debited. Capital paid goes at credit. Raju is the business, Raju is the worth cash credit. That's why here cash account debtor, cash account debtor to Raju account. How much? 15,000. 15,000. Paying cash received from Raju. Cash received from Raju. Next one, date is 25th. 119. See here, deposited to bank. What to deposit? Business account deposit. Business iರ್ತಕ್ಕಂತ cash deposit ಮಾಡ್ತಾ bank ಗೆ. Here which accounts are found here? Which accounts are found here? First, here deposited to bank. What goes from business? Cash. And where goes from cash? Where goes cash? To bank. These are all the two accounts related to assets. Assets account. Asset account is increasing debit, decreasing credit. When decreasing credit, when the cash is goes out to bank from business, the cash is reduced, decreased. ಇದನ್ನೇ ಮಾಡೋವಾಗ credit ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. Decrease. Cash is decreased. Bank comes into the bank. Cash bank balance is increased. Bank account debit to cash account. Right here. Bank account data to cash account. Being cash paid to bank. Cash paid to bank. How much? 10,000. 10,000 rupees. This is. And last one, paid rent. Paid rent. Who paid? Business. What? For what? For rent. So rent account. Rent paid. For rent paid. One is rent account. In what? And rent in the form of what? Cash. Cash. When? So nothing but rent paid. Business payment rent. But for example, this is the room. We are not. It is not the own building. We have to the rental basis. We have started business. So the purpose monthly rent is paid with the business. Target one hour business. Rent is nothing but which account related expenses or losses. Paid. Expenses or losses anything paid by the business. All the accounts are expenses or losses. Anything received to the business. Anything received by the business. Business के नाम बनता receivables gain revenue. Anything paid revenue expenses and losses. So that's what we have. Rent account expenses and losses. When paid rent increase is the debit. Cash decrease credit. That's why rent account data rent account data to cash. How much? And 5,000. 5,000. Being when paid. This is. ಇದು ಈ ತರ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಜನರೇಟರ್ಸ್ ನಾ ಇದು only 6 just for example how it is form the generators 12 transactions ಇದೆ ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 6 ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ ಇನ್ಸ್ಟೆಡ್ ಆಫ್ 6 12 ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂದರೆ 12 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸಿಗೆ ಕೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. ಇನ್ನು ತುಂಬ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ ನಾವು ಮಾಡಬೇಕಲ್ವಾ, ಈ ಥರ ನಾವು ಮಾಡೋಣ. ಸೊ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಸಲ ನಾನು ಬರೆದು ಬಿಟ್ಟು ನಿಮಗೆ ಫೋಟೋ ಕಾಪಿ ಸೆಂಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಓಕೆನಾ? ದಿಸ್ ದ ಜನರಲ್ ಟೆನ್ಸ್. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ವೆರಿ ಮಚ್.